it's Kirsten from WTI, and who doesn't love a great two-piece set? This one is from the HAPCOPE store and I love it. I was initially attracted to this set because I was going on a beach vacation and I thought this set would look perfect over my bathing suit, and I was so pleased with it. I love the fabric, so as you can see, it's mostly cotton and super breathable, and thanks to these little holes in the fabric, it lets a lot of air in, so I never felt overheated at all, especially in the sun, and I love how it fit me. So I did order a size medium. I love the oversized look. They fit my frame really nice. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds, and I find the shorts fit a little bit smaller, so I was really happy with the size medium. The more I was wearing this set, the more I realized that I could definitely wear them as separate pieces, so the amount of outfit options is just endless. So I loved wearing this oversized blouse with jeans. I wore it with leggings. I just love that look. And these shorts are super cute on their own with a t-shirt or a tank top. I just love the high waistband, and they're elastic, stretchy. They fit perfectly. They're lined, so there's no need to fear about them being see-through, and they have pockets. So literally the perfect shorts and the perfect blouse. I really love the puffy sleeves, and they have a really nice cuff that you can roll up if you wanted to. I just feel like this is such good value because it is a two-piece set that looks super cute wearing it together, but as well you can wear them as separates and you can get so many more options for your outfits. So this is a really great option for any beach vacation because it definitely looks put together, but you don't have to do any forethought because they come together. I got so many compliments on it, and they come in such great colors. I love this blue, but I think the other colors are beautiful as well. So definitely try it. I know you're gonna love this outfit just as much as I do, but that's my point of view.